Hello everyone. My name is Leanne. I may have some of you for Design Communication 1, and if you see my video, I live in San Benito, Texas. I don't really know what I want to do with my major, as I mentioned before, if you saw my video, but I guess I have like a few ideas in mind, but I remember when I was younger, I thought about doing like comic book illustrations or like storybook illustrations in general. Um, but then I guess I've been pretty much using digital um digital media design since I was like 10. Well, that's when I started like when I found out that I could actually make art on the computer. And especially since I like computers and art, I thought that it correlates well with what I want to study. Um, yeah, I can't wait to have y'all this semester, and um, yeah, well, it's good to have you for this semester, and good luck. Thank you.